just finish in post office and we go to eat in McDonald's. McDonald's very close in same road have McDonald's. Shaira want McDonald's.
Maybe evening we can go to Thai restaurant or like Thai
I don't know.
street food.
Yes, street food. But yesterday we been in China street foods, but today we can try Thai. But yesterday you eat also Chinese, Thai food.
Thai food.
Thai foods, yes. So many fries, same like in the Philippines, same. Chicken, fried chicken.
They have papaya.
Papaya?
Thai papaya.
So you want right now eat papaya or you want McDonald's?
McDonald's first and
Okay.
then the Thai papaya.
Okay. Okay. McDonald's. Okay, go inside. Go inside, push. Push. Yes. What you want, Georgi?
You have McDonald's separate?
I don't know. McDonald's app not working. It's separate.
Oh, okay. No,
Philippines
it's
is separate.
international.
No, international, but McDonald's app in Thailand is different because
Okay.
it's Thailand, but you cannot use the app.
Really?
Yes, because you have a Philippine McDonald's app.
And even much in.
Yes, pay in counter. This one.
No. Pick up only. I will pick up there.
Pick up? Okay. Shaira seen a Russian woman. What you say?
With children already, but they're very full.
Good looking?
Yes.
So Russian woman good looking. What do you
Yes, yes, for me, because I can see beautiful girls. Most of girls also have Thai girls also have beautiful, but I seen right now Russian have good also beautiful.
think? Beautiful woman.
Yes.
I not take video because maybe they shy. But it's Russian people, not problem if you filming, not problem.
But you need to look. You
No,
will
not
see.
they not afraid camera. It's okay. But the Filipino also not afraid camera. A Georgi order today Big Mac. Big Mac. How much you pay for Big Mac, Georgi?
160 baht.
Georgi busy. 160.
Baht.
160 baht he paid. Georgi use iPhone and the first time and before he always use Android. Now with iPhone he don't know how to correct use. Georgi, I will teach you how to use. Okay. He speak in Russian bad words. Блять, вот Shaira already soon can speak Russian bad words.
Блядь.
Georgi not teach you. It's our Shaira, what is this?
It's filet double filet
Filet.
and with large fries and large coke.
How much? 255?
55, so expensive.
So expensive in Thailand.
Yes.
How much in the Philippines you say?
If it's filet,
About. Same in the Philippines, how much? So what you think? You work in McDonald's, you know.
100.
Same only in Philippine peso. Maybe. Or not.
But how much the 255 baht?
100, I don't know. It's about maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 400 peso.
No, it's only, you can maximum 200 like this. Big Mac, it's 160 already, but there it's how much? 150.
160 baht. Maybe in the Philippines, same in the peso. Not cheaper.
Cheaper.
So in the Philippines, cheaper McDonald's. Okay. I asked Shaira about what she thinking about McDonald's in Thailand, because she work in McDonald's Philippines and she know how much, and she want to say, Shaira, what do you think in McDonald's Thailand?
I don't like.
You don't like McDonald's here?
Yes, it's so expensive. And what is this?
What,
So,
what about foods? Not talk about money. What about foods? You say don't have rice.
the chicken here, if you order chicken, they don't have rice. So it's for people, it's not good because if you order chicken, you need some rice. Their burgers here are, yes, it's good, but it's so expensive. Like you go to a restaurant.
What you say about uniform? Different uniform in Thailand and Philippines. Different.
Here I seen they not use properly uniform here with properly
What
uniform.
kind of proper uniform?
Hairnet,
Huh?
hairnet,
Where?
hairnet cups inside.
Cars not used.
Hairnet also they not use. If you go
Maybe,
inside,
maybe different requirements in the Thailand and the Philippines.
McDonald's always use hairnets. Even another country they need to use. If you're going to, if you serve some food or you need to go inside the kitchen, you need some cover in your hair. Because most of the time here it's falling down, so it's go to your foods. Understand? So it's more it's not good if you working in a McDonald's or in a like restaurant like this fast food. You need some hairnet and some, what is this, cap also.
So you don't want again go to McDonald's in Thailand. Better maybe in street foods. You can try street foods.
Thai
Okay.
street food. Last night we bought 100 baht mango, so good, and it's so big. Maybe for that amount you can buy in Philippines for 400
Okay.
for the two big. Four pieces of mango.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we're going to another place now. Okay, Georgi, let's go.